All right, at the very end of class, I was rushing through a problem, and one of the students let me know, and I really do appreciate the fact that when I did this one, I did not distribute completely. We have to multiply 3 times 2x plus 3 times 2, which gives me 6x plus 6 minus 3x equals 6 plus 3x. I have to combine the like terms on the same side, so I get 3x plus 6 equals 6 plus 3x. I'm going to move the variable on the right by subtracting 3x from both sides, and I get 6 is equal to 6, which is a true statement. Therefore, your solution is infinitely many or all real numbers. All right, this one is a little bit more detailed. It has two distributive properties. On the first one, I'm going to multiply 7 times x, which is going to give me 7x. 7 times 2 gives me positive 14. On the second parentheses, we have to be careful because we are distributing negative 4 times that parentheses. So I'm going to have negative 4 times x, which is negative 4x, and negative 4 times negative 7, which is positive 28. Since I have two x's on the same side, I can combine those together. And my left side is going to stay 3x minus 13 is equal to 7x minus 4x is 3x. 14 plus 28 is going to be 42. I'm going to move the variable on the right side, so I get negative 3x, subtract 3x from both sides, and that leaves me negative 13 is equal to 42, which is a false statement. And because that is false, our solution would be no solution. Again, the first problem, I had done it right at the very end of class very quickly, and I'd made a mistake on it, and I wanted to post this video to let you all see what it should look like.